My top 3 highlights of the term are buddy class, fish and chips, and winter sports tournament. My top 3 highlights of the term are Daffodil Day, winter sports tournament, and art class. My top 3 highlights of the term is junior winter sports tournament, fish and chips, and buddy class. My 3 highlights of the term was spring art, the college dance, and baking. My 3 highlights of the term is buddy class, fish and chips, and dot art. My top 3 highlights of the term is fish and chips, winter sports tournament, and buddy class. My top 3 highlights of the term are buddy class, winter sports, and spring art. My top 3 highlights of the term are fish and chips, literacy circle, and winter sports. My top 3 highlights are fish and chips, winter sports, and spring art. My top 3 highlights of the term are Daffodil Day, winter sports, and spring art. My top 3 highlights of the term were spring art, winter sport tournament, and dance at the college. My top 3 highlights of the term were Olympics, inquiry, baking, and buddy class. My top 3 highlights of the term were spring art, buddy class, and scratch art. My top 3 highlights of the term was Olympics Day, winter sports, and fish and chips. My 2 top highlights of the term was Olympics Day, winter sports, and fish and chips. My top highlights of the term were fish and chips, winter sports tournament, and Olympics Day.
My top 3 highlights of the term were fish and chips, winter sports tournament, and Olympics Day.
My 3 highlights of the term are fish and chips, winter sports tournament, and Olympics. My top 3 highlights of the term were spring art, dot art, and Olympics Day. My top 3 highlights of the term was dot art, winter sports, and buddy art. My top 3 highlights of the term was buddy class, fish and chips, and spring art. My 3 highlights of the term were the dance at the college, spring art, and fish and chips. My top 3 highlights of the term were baking, fish and chips, and the college dance.